So for this overview, I just wanted to start here at the iceberg evolution because I just love this picture. I think that we all do, whether we want to or not, compare ourselves to others, and it's really easy to look at someone else's success and not think about all the things that they went through to get to that success, all the hard work, dedication, failure, and sacrifice, disappointment. I think all of that is something to remember and something to strive to put effort towards, and to remember that all of that is important. Another thing that I found extremely helpful after watching all the talking about growth mindset and watching the videos is just this little picture. I think it's a good way to look at the fixed mindset version versus the growth mindset version. And I think a big thing is obstacles and criticism, for me personally at least, where I know that I can grow. Another thing I found really important to look at is when trying to apply it is to just think about how I used to think and how I can change that. And just the power of yet I thought was really, really powerful. I think this overview is very important just to remember. I'm someone who likes to have it all laid out in front of me, and so I really love this slide, really enjoy this slide, just something to think about in times to come. And the EdTPA, this is something that I have heard many teachers who have graduated from the credential program talk about, and something that I was very interested in, and so I like getting to see what exactly goes into that. I think that's really important. The tips. I love this page just because prioritizing is something I have to remember that school and work and everything is going to come first for the next year and a half. And I have been out of school for 2 years, so this is a mindset that I need to get back into. I am someone who loves to travel and schedule trips, and just have to remember that at the end of this, there'll be time for all of that, and I'll have a teaching credential. Definitely the not letting yourself get overwhelmed, I think, is a huge portion for everyone in the credential program. I think we all tend to let it all get to us before we share that with anyone else. Also, the norms, definitely being respectful, professional, communicating, those are all very important. And something else I loved were these policies, just something to remember: grades, substitute teaching, leave of absences, those are all really important. And then this student teaching, just knowing everyone's role within this, I really like to see all laid out in front of me.